Most videographers are told the same three things: get better at filming, niche down, and grind it all out with emails and cold calls. And I followed that advice. And in year 3, I almost lost everything. And honestly, I'm tired of watching talented people stay broke because they keep getting handed the same recycled advice. Cold calls, cold email, niche down, just get better at filming. That's what they tell you. And I followed it. Year 3, I was grinding harder than I ever had. And we were barely moving because here's what nobody wants to say out loud: working hard in the wrong direction just gets you more lost. The videography industry has a problem. Everyone's teaching craft. Nobody's teaching business. And there are people out there right now charging you thousands of dollars for courses and handbooks that should be free. We built a 7-person production company in Southern California from the ground up. No courses, no handbooks, no shortcuts, just real decisions, real mistakes, and real growth. And I'm giving you everything we learned right here for free. So if you're ready to actually hear the truth, let's get into it. I'm going to give you 5 real reasons, not theories, not courses you have to pay for, just what I actually lived through building this company from the ground up. Let's go. Uncomfortable truth number 1. Most videographers pocket every dollar they make and wonder why they're not growing. Here's the reality. If you're not reinvesting back into your business, you are slowly dying. I'm not talking about buying new gear. I'm talking about marketing, SEO, your website, Google ads, Yelp ads. That stuff that actually gets your name in front of new clients. Early on, everyone told me, don't waste your time on ads. Cold call, cold email, grind it out. I tried that. It didn't move the needle the way I needed it to. So what I did is what I always do. I tried something different. I started running ads on Yelp and Google, and I started getting traction. Not overnight, but it worked because I was willing to reinvest in the business and others weren't. You can only get so far in referrals. At some point, you have to put money behind your name. Uncomfortable truth number 2. Most videographers want to do everything themselves, and I get it. When you're starting out, you want to keep all the money. You don't want the responsibility of managing people and having to pay them. But here's what that mindset actually costs you. It costs you bigger clients, because bigger clients don't hire one person, they hire teams. They hire confidence. They hire the ability to scale. The moment I brought on my first team member, Russell, everything changed. Not because he was another shooter, but because having him on the shoot gave me my time back. And with that time, I started working on the business, learning marketing, building a website, running ads, developing systems. That's when we went from making 15 to 30K a month to 60 to 70, even sometimes 100, depending on the month. One hire, that's what unlocked it. You don't have to hire a full-time employee. Start with other creatives, build a network, work with freelancers you trust, because the moment you can say yes to bigger clients, that's when your business actually starts growing. Uncomfortable truth number 3. Getting better at filming will not grow your business. I'll say that again. Getting better at filming alone will not grow your business. Now, yes, your craft matters. Always keep sharpening it, but if your entire focus is on becoming a better shooter and you're ignoring the business side of things, you are going to stay broke. Clients don't hire the best camera operators in the room. They hire the most reliable, the most professional, the most communicative team in the room. They hire the people who make them look good and make their lives easier. That's it. So if you're spending 80% of your time on your craft and 0% of time on learning how to market yourself, price your services, build relationships, and run a business, you're going to hit a wall. And that wall is going to feel like year 3 felt for me. Uncomfortable truth number 4. And this one is going to be controversial. Everyone in the industry tells you to niche down. Pick one thing. Become the corporate videographer, become the wedding photographer. And yes, niching down makes things easier, but easier isn't always better. Here's what niching down too early actually looks like. It kills your creativity. Think about it. If you're doing the same type of shoot every single week, what's the difference between that and sitting behind a desk doing the same task over and over? That's not why we got into this. We got into this because we're creative, because we love discovering new things, because we want to keep growing. At Corcino Productions, we shoot corporate events, conferences, headshots, brand videos, product photography, podcasts, live streams, all of it. And every single project sharpens different skills. It keeps the team sharp, keeps the creativity alive, and honestly, it keeps the business interesting. Don't let anyone box you in before you've even gotten a chance to discover what you're actually capable of. Uncomfortable truth number 5. And this one I feel strongly about. There are a lot of creators out there right now selling courses, handbooks, masterclasses, promising you 6, 7, 8 figures if you just pay for their system. And I'm not here to call anyone out specifically, but I will say this. You should not have to pay for foundational knowledge it takes to build a creative business. That information should be free. That's exactly why we're here. That's exactly why I'm making this channel. Because when I was starting out, YouTube wasn't what it is today. I didn't have someone to watch who had been through it, who had built a real team, who had real corporate clients, who had made the mistakes I was making. I had to figure everything out on my own. And I don't want that for you. Everything we've learned, pricing, the marketing, the team building, the client relationships, we're sharing all of it right here for free because that's what this community deserves. If this video hit different, it's because this isn't a theory. This is 10 years of building a real production company in Southern California. The hard, we went from one person doing real estate shoots to 7-person team covering major corporate conventions, conferences, and brand products, and all of that across SoCal and across the country. And we're documenting all of it right here. The wins, the losses, the systems, the strategies, everything. So if you're serious about turning your creative skill into a real business, subscribe, drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 truths hit you the hardest. And watch this next video because it goes even deeper into how we actually land high-paying corporate clients. I'll see you there.